Hi, in today's video subject, I'm going to be covering affiliate marketing tools for beginners in 2020. I specifically will be covering 7 tools, everywhere from training on out to buying domains, to hosting domains, to a camera selection and a microphone selection as well. As we move through the 7 tools, you'll see why I recommend them for the job that needs to be done. So as we move through the video and you realize you got some value from the video, please give us a thumbs up, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And while you're at it, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we publish a new video to our channel. So without waiting any further, let's move into today's video subject, affiliate marketing tools for beginners in 2020. So as we go through my list of tools, the first tool I'm going to talk about is the Simple Traffic Blueprint. Now this is a course that I've taken, and I'm taking a more advanced course of this now in building my business from Philip Barrowman. And this is Philip right here. What I'm going to do is do a quick walkthrough, tell you why you need this course and what's the best part about the course and why you would be amiss to try to build a business without it. First off, the course is very thorough, covers many points, very essential things in here. The one thing that I was missing in previous years that I didn't have from other courses is that Philip does teach email marketing and how the money is in the list and how you need to build a list from the onset of building your website or your business online. So it's basically goes through module 1, getting started module 2. There's a lot of mindset in here too, that he covers a lot of mindsets and a lot of things that you think about and things that hold you back, things that will help you to grow and move onwards. So all this training is very important, not to skip a beat with any of it. And you can see it's a short, simple course, but it is indeed a very powerful course. Just show you an example real quick. The course is, each section, this has almost a 19-minute video. And the other thing that's best about this is that this course gets personal attention from Philip, that you can ask him questions from the creator of the course, creator of the income. So, and without further holding back, this costs you $14.99 as an overview to develop your business. I feel that's very, very important to take part of this. There'll be a link for this down in the description. So that's tool number 1. Tool number 2 we'll move into next. It's the introduction of mindset. There's 2 videos for 66 minutes. Step 1, step 2, step 3. The next thing I'd want to be doing would be buying a domain name. And what we do is I like to recommend Namecheap. That's where I buy all my domains. What you can do here is go here to do a search for a term. Whatever your term is looking for, and this will give you different prices, different things on sale. There'll be an affiliate link down in the description for Namecheap domains on sale very often. Not only are the domains cheap, but their company is very good with personal service and handling, renewing, answering problems from the domain owners, hosting problems. If you need hosting, they have hosting as well. So, but the thing I'm recommending them is tool number 2 is use Namecheap to buy domains from, because I found that to be the easiest and best company that I've dealt with in the last 7 years for domains. And the next point is we want to look at, so tool number 3 I want to recommend today is Get Response for email marketing. I found through the automation and the email marketing, coordinating that with landing pages from my website, that this is the product I would recommend right here, the $49 per month. It covers all automations for 5 workflows, which should be more than enough to get you going. Covers handling webinars if you're going to host them, sales funnels, 5 sales funnels, 3 different workers, have workers that help you out. So this was the product here. I like Get Response because they are responsive. The customer service is excellent. You can sign up for free, and then there's basically there will be pricing situations that will present themselves. Each one of these is a free trial for a time period. I think a 2-week time period. But then once you go off that, they no longer have access, so you have to pay per month fee. So I recommend Get Response for just the fact that Get Response is excellent, doing what you need to have done inside. Okay. Whether it be having your list set up, or it be setting up a draft for an email marketing campaign, whether it be that, or even if it's just products that they might be interested in buying, use your email list to make money for you. There's also here in the menu what we call the automation. The automation is where you've set up different parts of a funnel. So you know where people are as they enter the funnel and where they keep going through the funnel, where they're at and what they're being promoted. So that's very key to email marketing. The money is in the list, and I recommend tool number 3 would be to get response for your email marketing needs. So the next tool I want to recommend is personal hosting for a domain. If you bought a domain like mine's digitalhighroad.com, I have it hosted on a personal hosting site. Personal hosting site is known as Startec Web Solutions, the one I'm recommending. I know this person personally. It's Matt Schluter. Matt lives in the state of Wisconsin, United States of America, and he has a few different hosting plans that we can look at. He has what we call shared hosting and cloud hosting, and basically the plans are laid out as such. These are costs per year. Now I'd recommend something from $7.95 a month up through. I would probably not recommend this one itself. It's just a lost leader basically. This one will cover 5 different databases, 5 FTP accounts, bandwidth 30 gigs for $7.95 per month. The thing again I'm recommending is, because it's what I'm basing my business on, is personal customer service. And I've known Matt for about 9 months now, and he's been nothing but top shelf for customer service for me anytime I've had a problem. So I would recommend Startec Web Solutions for tool number 5. And I recommend it for their hosting. They do have other programs available as well. I'm sure they would all fine if it's something you have the money for in your budget. Right now at the moment, I'm recommending, I'll have a couple of affiliate links for Matt's hosting plans down in the description as well. But that's Startec Web Solutions in Wisconsin. Okay, so far you have the training. You have purchased your domain. You have a hosting company. I recommend it to you. And you have email response, Get Response for email marketing. Now point number 5 I want to bring in is a keyword tool researcher aid, basically. And this can be installed on either Chrome browser or Firefox. I have Firefox that I'm using currently for this recording. So we're going to look at keyword tools everywhere. So if you do a keyword search for keywords everywhere, you come up with this site right here. Keywords everywhere, and go to this site here, and what you get is this here. Basically, for extreme discount prices, you can get searches for keywords. You can get 100,000 credits for $10, which means 100,000 different words are going to be keyword research for $10. I've had it for a couple months. I haven't replenished. I'm not even close to it yet. But up here in the browser, you can see, so for keywords everywhere, as I was going to show you up here in your browser, right here is a K. It's featured keywords everywhere. It's turned on for importing keywords analyze pages. So what happens when I go to a page, let's say if I go to this page here, I have these columns here that aren't normally here, but these are keywords for keywords everywhere that came popping up, that each one of these could be analyzed. These word phrases could be analyzed. It'll take you somewhere for articles, information on them. If I wanted to load the metrics up, I could check these 12 words to see where they're at for trending, how many US searches per month average, export to CVS if I wanted to. Use 23 credits for this. Each one of these keywords has been rated. Okay, how successful they are for doing what they do. So, but that's what they're, now I can also use it for, if I go into video, it also comes up on areas of the videos too. Okay, there's keywords again. Okay, and there's keywords again for this site. A microphone and a camera that I use for my YouTube channel. And we're going to go to Amazon next to take a look at them. And okay, so the two sets of tools that I use a lot for video recording for my YouTube channel, Digital High Road. Number one is this Logitech HD laptop Webcam C615. I'll leave the header and the link for it down in the description. The reason I bought this is because of the size of it. It fits very nicely on a stand, a tripod between my two computers. I have a short video I'll show you about that. And I've gotten excellent photography through it, from webcam and from Screencast-O-Matic for the screens. So these fill my needs. The other thing is the microphone. I upgraded about a month and a half ago to the Blue Yeti microphone with the Knox Gear pop filter. And that's, couldn't say enough about this piece of equipment as well. It's been excellent. And I've got a short video, again, it's between my two monitors here. And I use it a lot for sound recording and voice recording. So these are the two tools I recommend that I have purchased from Amazon. Okay, I wanted to take quick pictures of my equipment. This is the video camera. It's on a stand between my computer screens here. And then I've got my Blue Yeti microphone right here. Okay, it's set up here in front. You can see here, it's set up here in the front of the camera. So these are the two pieces of equipment that we're talking about. So these are the two tools I recommend that I have purchased from Amazon. And there'll be affiliate links down in the description for the Blue Yeti microphone and for the Logitech C615 camera. Now there's also, I think, a C922 camera that some of my fellow marketers use as well. But they should fit the bill for cameras and your needs for camera equipment. So in conclusion, we started with tool number one was the Affiliate-Rama and the Affiliate Blueprint 3.0 for training. The second point we made was that we were buying our website domain names from Namecheap, and there would be a link for that down in the description. Then we were going to host it on Startec Web Solutions, a Matt Schluter's business from Wisconsin. Then after that, we were looking at getting and using GetResponse for email marketing and setting email marketing up because the money is in the list. Very important. It's also mentioned in the Fill-A-Rama and the Blueprint 3.0. There's a whole section on email marketing. So you got your get response. The next point is that you'll be needing a cheap keyword tool called Keywords Everywhere. And we talked about that and setting up and using the account for $10 for 100,000 searches it was, which is reasonably cheap. Then the most expensive part, after get response at $49 a month, would be one-time purchase of the Logitech camera, okay, which I believe I came in at. Logitech camera is coming in right now at $99. And then the Blue Yeti, the kit, when available, it's not available at the one I bought. It's $160. So that's kind of the major expenses that you're dealing with. So what you're talking about is building an online business that you can make money with, building a YouTube channel, having a domain, having a host site for the domain, having a keyword research tool, knowing where you're buying your domains from, knowing where you're using get response for email marketing. So for well under $750, you've got yourself set for growing a business for the first 8, 9, 10 months with maybe an additional expense outside that, but hardly ever anything additional, just focusing and building the business. So as you do that, just wanted to remind you that please subscribe to our channel. It's Digital High Road. If you have already subscribed but you haven't hit the bell icon, hit the bell icon so that you're notified all the times that we publish a new video to our channel, So hit the bell icon. And while you're at it, please, if you got any value at all out of my favorite 7 tools, then please like the video. And thank you for watching. Take care.